We are here. It is Wednesday afternoon. I want to say thank you to everybody that's in the chat already. Who do we have here? Frank. First, as always, what's going on, Frank? Elizabeth is here. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom! Dabbing on him like always. And we've got Outdoor Smile, Isa Wu, Nick F in the chat as well. Who else we got? Cassie's in the chat. Look at all these green names. I love it. Diffy Dog is in here too. JB, and it looks like that's it. Not sure, Elizabeth. A lot of people yelling a lot of different things. Man, what do you got? People yelling? What are these people yelling for? I don't even know. So what do we got going on so far? AMC back in the green today, sitting at 27.77. Shiba sitting at 34.43, sideways all day long. Prague back down in the red for a second here, sitting at $1.95 per share. GameStop 153.36. Farmy down 4%. MMAT down 4%. CEI down 2%. Fun down 4%. Tesla down 0.5%. And Dogecoin sitting at 17 cents per coin. My goodness, another red day, another red day. I don't even understand why we got to have all of these red days. Dean, what's going on? How do you do, Dean? Matthew, Jeremy, Bossman, Clay, my guy, what's going on? Bossman, my guy. Elizabeth, yikes, I don't even know. Good afternoon, and good afternoon to you as well, Keith. How you doing today? Rain Sounds ASMR Sleep Sensation. Hello, hello, hello to you. Hello, Keith. Elizabeth, Keith, best friends. I like it. Just got on live chat. Been here for a minute watching Clay. Very nice, Isa Wu. Yeah, dude, we just turned it on, so it's all good. Ronald with the Bro Diamonds. I love it, Ronald. Man, what a weak week. What a weak week we are having here. I can't believe it. Why Shiba price still be going down? Ahmad Lawan. Honestly, man, I think it's just following everything, following all cryptos, following the stock market, and I think that's the majority of what we're going to see throughout the rest of the week. So I wouldn't be terribly convinced that we're going to have much of a catalyst until the beginning of the year. I'm so wanting to buy something. Outdoor Smile. All of these discounts are looking delicious. Stuart Pearson, hello, Clay from England. Hello, Stuart. Hopefully you're having a good day today, man. Almost nighttime. Oh, it is nighttime there now. What do you got? 8:30 p.m. So that sometimes a minute is all it takes. Isau. Sometimes that's all it takes. Been watching for a minute, man, and then you're good to go. Davy Dog is right. You know what happens after a minute? You're ready to get started. I'm from the UK, and not many people are aware of the AMC situation. Boss man, I'm telling you, dude, it's not much different here. It really on YouTube. They're aware of the situation. In Twitter, they're probably aware of the situation. But really, any other platform, I would say they are unaware of the situation in AMC. And it's very weird to me, boss man. Very weird. What would your recommendations on getting them aware? Like, what would you recommend to do that? I've been here for months. Just join the chat. Isa Wu. I love it. Paying for order flow market manipulation. AMC is a distraction. Brokers don't know how to do math. That's what I gathered by the 5 minutes I was in Core's channel. People are always so upset about something. Dude, yeah, JB, I 100% agree. Payment for order flow, okay, yes, they do tend to, I would say, relate that frustration and upsetness in here. Market manipulation, yeah, that's all they ever talk about. AMC is a distraction from GameStop? Or what would the distraction from AMC be? Brokers don't know how to do math. Boy, that's hard to believe. I'm pretty sure brokers do know how to do math. But 5 minutes in Core's channel and people upset about all of that. Dang, dude. Isn't it funny how you can go somewhere and see how many people are upset about stuff and then you come hang out in here and it's like, oh man, we're just having a good time making some money. Hood! A Robinhood sign in the search bar on Robin. If you type in Shiba, it comes up quick links, crypto gift. If you type in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or etc., same thing comes up. If you type 88 or Cardano, nothing shows up. Elizabeth, a lot of people were talking about that earlier today. What's your conclusion on that? Do you conclude that Robinhood is already adding the infrastructure for Shiba Inu coin, or what are your thoughts on this? I would like to know. For me, it's just spreading the word and encouraging the hold. Boss man, I like it, dude. What should I do? So, fun live streaming. The runs AMC and Prague went on. Just ended my stream. Frank, very nice, man. I'm glad you were able to capture all those runs because it is a lot more. It is a lot better when things are running. But AMC Win was at $8, but I only got a little bit. Lesson learned. Sam, I don't think that you should be too hard on yourself for, wishing you would have gotten more. Everything's 2020 in hindsight, and nothing was ever guaranteed, and nothing still is not guaranteed with the AMC Stock Short Squeeze. So to say that you should have gotten more, yeah. I mean, looking back, we all should have gotten more. We all should have gone out there and taken out equity lines on our houses and bought because it did go up from there. But you can never take that kind of risk on anything and be certain about it. Leaked Prague news. I'm driving, so I can't cite much, but basically the patent got posted accidentally, and the pill can take samples in your GI to check for cancer and ulcers and other things. Oh, dang, dude. I need to fact check more, but wanted to pass it on as soon as possible. It's taken down, but loads of screenshots. Oh, my gosh. Dude, I don't understand how these people leak all this information all the time. Really, it's a completely different environment. It's so volatile over there. JB, I don't get it, man. I don't get it. Like, I attribute it to the fact that we've got, I don't know if emotionally stable is the best word to use, or if we just don't go down those rabbit holes. Like, I don't know what to blame it on, but it is a completely different environment. I agree with you 100% on that, man. Had to be coded in? Yes. Elizabeth, that's what I'm thinking. It's just not available yet, right? But you've got all of the infrastructure that's out there waiting for, I guess, the release, right? Devil's Advocate, so when Moon? Dude, hopefully soon Moon, right? Dude, I want to go back up to, but just above 350. Devil's Advocate, should I cash out at 351, man? Should I cash out my Prague at 351? 118. Moon on 118. There you go. That's when they're going to be announcing it. Robinhood is getting ready to list Larry. Larry, it looks like I'm going to have to do a video on this later then. Won't I? Yeah, I think it's going to have to happen. Does anyone think that Grandpa Barney manipulates the Super Chat marketing here? Me, Diffy Dog. I think Grandpa Barney definitely manipulates the Super Chat marketing here. I'll hold until 118. JB, I'm with you, man. Leaks Avenues, buy high, sell low. No, that's the exact opposite of what you should do, Rocket. Buy low and sell high. Buying high and selling low is just, that's the opposite of what we want to do. These whales buying Shiba is a great sign for things to come. Yeah, Mike, I don't know how many more whales are loading up on Shiba Inu coin, but there are a lot of whales in Shiba. And the fact that they're continuing to hold it means that they think that it's got the potential to go higher in the future. So that is a good sign, man. A lot of people kind of get scared when whales own a lot of the coin or a large percentage of the coin. But, dude, I just think that it means that, I don't know if you want to call it smart money, but the big money believes in the future of Shiba Inu coin. All right, I think we are waiting for Ethereum 2.0 and Shibarium. Hey, if we are, okay, great. I don't know any of the anticipated dates, but dude, if Robinhood is doing work to at least get it to show something, either they are severely playing with, I guess, advertising and marketing tactics and getting people talking about Robinhood again, or they're actually going out there and trying to get it listed. Was watching another YouTuber before claiming AMC could go to 500,000. How I wish. Yeah, boss man. So a lot of people have said 500,000, 100,000, and things like that. I would be happy with anything above 1,000, but I think there's a very blurred line between what is possible and what is probable. Because yes, I mean essentially any stock can go to infinity, and AMC has an added edge because the hedge funds would be required to buy the stock back regardless of the price. But I think there's just a very large disconnect between what is likely, what is real, and what is possible. Because it's possible, yes, but nearly impossible to happen. Like, there's no way humans are going to wait until one share is $500,000. I just screenshot it. I didn't screenshot it, but I think you're talking about somebody else, right? I was accidentally posted on an official patent site and then removed. Emotionally stable. You didn't see me reacting to Prague leak. Well, dude, you're allowed to be a little giddy. You're allowed to be a little giddy when that stuff happens. It's okay. Hey, Clay's still hanging in there. Shooting to the moon. Let's get it, Philip. I'm still hanging in there, too, and we are going to the moon, man. What's up, Clay? Pretty crappy day again today, but my diamond hands will hold strong. Shiba Army. Yeah, man, and I don't expect tomorrow to be too much better either. I'm not trying to rain on your parade or anything, but I really don't expect it to be that much better tomorrow. 500,000, I'll be happy, but I don't think, dude, you have no idea, Cassie. I would be so happy at 500,000. It would be insane. I'd be 500 times happier than happy because I'd be really happy at 1,000. Why don't Shiba lose another 0? Alaska. A lot of people were anticipating by the end of the year, but end of the year is in like 2 or 3 days. So I don't think we're going to get there by the end of the year. I think, we're going to need some sort of a catalyst. If this Robinhood thing gets as much hype as it had before, it could happen sooner rather than later. If this AMA tonight, if somebody says something unexpected, then yes, we could have some I guess, additional catalyst that could drive us very high in price. There are some things out there that we could hope for to drive the price higher, but I think the main thing we need to focus on is just the overall crypto market turning around and getting more money flowing into crypto. What's up, family? AMC Trapper tapping in, man. What's going on, AMC Trapper? Reddit is what got me in this whole ordeal, but all the stonk subreddits have gotten so toxic and crazy. I had to unfollow them all yesterday. I feel like they're bringing everyone in. Nick Response, 1,000% agree with you, man. 1,000%. Look, dude, I started posting. It was either January 25th or January 27th when I did my first AMC video, and yes, it was okay. Like I was fine with Reddit, but then I started to say stuff like, well, $100,000 per share is going to be extremely difficult. If you think about it, it's possible that it goes to 100,000, but are people really going to be able to withstand the temptation to sell their AMC shares when they're sitting on $1 million, $5 million, $10 million, and so on? Will they resist the temptation to take that profit? And I said, it's unlikely that it's going to go to $100,000. Dude, and by they, I mean Reddit, they just went crazy, dude. They were sending people in here in the live streams just to, like, heckle me and give me a hard time. They were sending people just to dislike any of my videos, which I was getting, like, 70% like ratios on the videos to dislike ratios. Simply because I said it was going to be very difficult to reach $100,000 per share. And, dude, it just hit me like, I don't think those people really care about AMC going up. I think they're just some sort of a hype or, I don't know, it's almost like a freaking cult, dude. Very weird Reddit is. So, yeah, man, I'm not afraid to tell you guys that Reddit's weird. I'm not afraid to tell Reddit that Reddit's weird. My mom doesn't like Reddit either, so it's all good. What's up, Trevor? Elizabeth, I love, and Diffy Dog can't compare. Yes, I love you, and Diffy Dog can't compare. Watch out, Diffy Dog, AMC Trevor, or Devil's Advocate coming in hot with that one. Reddit is such a loving community. They don't love me, JB. They don't love me. Reducing circulating supply is key to Shiba hitting life-changing value. Yeah, so Angus, I believe that Shiba has already hit life-changing values for a lot of people. If you got in early, okay, if you got in really early, clearly million Xing is life-changing. From here on out, with a $20 billion valuation, yes, I think we get 10x. For 100x to get to, I think, a half a cent would be that area, around 100x. We're not there yet. And I don't want people to take that the same way as, me saying AMC can't reach 100,000. But a $2 trillion valuation on a coin to equal the entire market cap of the entire crypto space is not easy. So you are right, man. You are right. And I don't know how we get there. A lot of people are going to be extremely discouraged if Shiba goes down, if Shiba adds another 3 zeros or 4 zeros and loses 99% of its value. But I'm going to tell you something. If they continue to work on the project, and that does happen, and you don't sell, or you do sell on the way down, and you're considering buying back in, that will be a phenomenal time to burn coins. You will be burning billions of coins for maybe $100. Think about that. So these companies that are out there burning now, instead of burning a billion, they could burn a trillion. And if that's the case, we could absolutely see it just rocket higher. So, have your strategy in mind right now, just in case something big does happen to the downside. But if it does, it's not the end of the world, because the burns can be exponentially larger. And all of a sudden, you take Shiba from having a 500 trillion, circulating supply, to a 500 billion circulating supply. That will drastically change the look of things, because all of a sudden it can go all the way up to $1 and only have a $500 billion market cap. That would be epic. You're talking Ethereum levels when it goes to $1 a coin. So just get in your mind now what your goals are. Shiba Inu coin, if it goes down, it's a better time to burn. If it goes up, it's a better time to earn. So I'm okay. I'm okay with the swings on it. Like I said, man, I don't have so much in it that I can't afford it to go down, and I can't afford to hold it longer term either. Shiba put a hurt on AMC and Mitch. Maybe, okay? Maybe. In the aspect that people, want to buy Shiba as well. Now, I don't think, I certainly haven't, because I'm comfortable and was comfortable with the amount of AMC that I'm holding. I haven't been constantly adding to my AMC shares. And I know people have been constantly adding their AMC shares. But I think that Shiba would have hurt AMC and GameStop only if people sold their AMC to go out and buy Shiba Inu coin. And I certainly don't think that apes were doing that. Maybe some people did that. But I don't think the people who are going to take AMC to these, ridiculously high levels were out there selling it because of any crypto for that matter. I Google Clay, bro, and I would equate it to 1692 when the town Reddit finds the witch Clay and burns it. Yes, JB, I would also agree with that, man. Reddit is the town. They found Clay, bro, saying that you got to be realistic with your price predictions on AMC, and then they tried, dude. They tried, but guess what? They did not succeed. They did not tear me down. We are still here today. Look at this. We still got a smile on our face, and we're still going strong, man. So it's all right. I wish they would like me. You know what I mean? Like, if they just showed as much passion that they did for hating me, if they just showed that as liking me and sharing my videos and coming in here and saying, hey, man, thumbs up, good job. Yeah, it would be a completely different story. I would like them too, and we'd be good, but they didn't. And what's 2 plus 2? 4! Isa, what date are we pulling the projects for the 2020? Isa, so honestly, man, I don't think there's going to be a set day. So I actually did add, and I don't know if you guys know this one, so I have not added many worlds yet, but I did add this one. They did not sponsor any video. If they do want to sponsor, a video or something, I can reach out to them, but they did not sponsor any videos or anything like that. But I went out there and I bought some Meta Pets. I swapped for it. I didn't technically buy it. I swapped some Smart Chain for Meta Pets today. And I don't know. If you guys want to check out Meta Pets, it's always trending on CoinMarketCap. And, dude, I don't know. If they actually get a decent game going with these pets, I think people are going to like it. So I'm taking a shot on Meta Pets, too. Hey, bro, I love your smile and enthusiasm. Angus, thank you very much. Appreciate you. I agree. Luke did not see what Luke had to say. Sorry. I think we'll see 0.005 next year. 3-0. Yeah, 3 zeros and a 5, man. That's definitely a possibility. I don't think that that's impossible for 2022. a 10x, that would be. I don't think a 10x is impossible. I think that it's going to come if we've got these AAA games, if we've got the overall crypto market rising, if we got the Oshiverse and Shibarium coming out. I think that that is a recipe for a 10x. I don't know if we get there without all of these things coming, though, because that gives you the 0.0005 gives you a valuation of around, I think it's $200 billion. So nothing to, like, that's nothing to mess around with. $200 billion valuation on Shiba Inu coin would be nothing to mess around with. But I think you need a catalyst, or I think you need some continued innovation to get you there. And those things, in my opinion, could. Oh my gosh, about Metapets. Nice, Freddy. When did you get yours, though? When did you get yours? I added Metapets, and I don't know. I would like more Metapets. So if Metapets wants to sponsor a video, then they absolutely can. But they did not, and I just went and added some. Simply because it's been trending on CoinMarketCap for quite some time. It's still relatively new, and dude, if they succeed, people are gonna want some pets in the metaverse. So, Matthew Walker, I think you're right. I did not see what Matthew Walker had to say. Vitalia Satoshi, dude, if that's the case, that's pretty sweet. I don't know. That's a better theory than Clay Satoshi, because I'm not. Matthew, it's not Vitalik. He would give somebody 1 million Ether if they can produce the white paper on Satoshi. I don't know what is happening. Well, from now, but not for me, and maybe like 50x. I don't know what we're referring to. Mr. Elite Tech, what's going on? Hey, Clay, bro, hanging out with Hungry Chair, and we just opened the sticker pack. Thank you, bro. Mr. Anything Tech, very nice. Glad. I don't know which stickers you got. Did you get a Chip Bro sticker? You get a Shiba sticker? Which one did you guys get in there? 2 weeks ago, I purchased my. Oh, Freddy, nice, dude. Freddy killing it. Freddy's doing good. Issa Woo here, bro. Grab some many worlds. Oh, I'm gonna have to do it. I'm going to have to do it now. Issa Woo, thank you very much. I'm definitely going to have to add to many worlds now because Issa Woo sent me a message this morning, sent me a message just now. We're going to have to be added to that any worlds. Let me go out here and see what many worlds is trading at right now. Is it an Ethereum or is it a smart chain token? Many. Okay, let's see what we've got. Ethereum, okay. It's an Ethereum token. We got that there. And oh, you don't actually have too much going on. Where's the no chart? I don't have any pricing information on many, man. I don't know if that's the right one. Oh, no. Here it is. That was a different one. Okay, so it is a smart chain. All right, good deal. All right, coming down a little bit in price from the 26. 3 zeros and a 9. Currently sitting at 3 zeros and an 8. Not terrible. Shoot, man, we got to see this thing go back up. Trading volume $57,000. We've got a market cap. It's market ranked at 4,834 with a market cap of $2 million. Very nice. Many worlds. I'm going to have to get in on this. I'm going to have to get in on this too. Issa Woo, thank you very much, man. Tell me about the golf shoes. I don't know about golf shoes. What about golf shoes? Tell me about Pi Network, bro. Is it legit, boss man? I really don't know too much about Pi Network. Smart Chain Clay. Yeah. I was looking at something. I was just looking at many before. It wasn't many worlds when I guess I wasn't even showing you guys that. But many worlds right here. Smart Chain 0.0008. What's the outstanding supply on the max supply? 5 billion tokens. Very nice. Not anything ridiculous. 5 billion tokens, a lot, but certainly not 500 trillion tokens. Very good, man. Very good. $2 million market cap already. Hopefully you guys can continue to increase that, and we all make some money on many worlds. I'm up to about 1100 pi. Freddy, very nice. Freddy, you got any other coins out there, man? 1100 pi. You got some meta pets as well. What do you got? Bossman says I got 900. I need to add to my pi, but I don't want to give my phone number to random people either. Cassie, I certainly would not want to do that either. Explain why a large market cap scares you off. What is your specific reasoning other than comparing to others, Bitcoin, etc.? Yeah, so Eric, a large market cap doesn't scare me off, man. A large market cap, it actually means it's a, I don't want to say a more stable coin, but it's more of a legitimized coin. So if you're looking at coins like Crypto.com, Solana, and you're looking at these altcoins that already have a very high market cap, Shiba Inu coin, and so on, you're not going to see 1000x's or 100x's in coins that have an extremely large market cap. If you find coins with an extremely small market cap, $2 million, let's just use many worlds for example. If you find a coin with a $2 million market cap and it 100x's, it's only going to have a market cap of, it's only going to be worth $200 million. It could take that and you could still 100x again before you reach a $20 billion market cap, which is going to give you the same market cap as Shiba Inu. So it is riskier, the smaller market cap coins, but if you're looking for something that can go out there and just go wild, then you need to have those smaller market caps. Otherwise, it's going to be limited by its, I guess, capacity or its ability to continue rising in price. Cruise control in the work truck is a game changer, Chris. Very nice, man. Are you at work right now? Are you working right now in the truck? I'm at about 1255. Very nice, Luke. I am waiting Shiba Inu Gaming. Oh yeah, G Gaming Ice. I hope. Now I don't game, so I don't know too much about what the games out there currently look like. Frodo, I think, has been looking at some crypto games recently. So I don't know what these graphics look like. I don't know what the storyline looks like. I don't know what these mobile games are turning into. But if they do turn into something, if the Shiba Inu coin game actually makes it, dude, it could be pretty big. There are a lot of gamers out there. Shuguru! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Shuguru, thank you very much for the super sticker. Shuguru, thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Shuguru. Absolutely appreciate it, man. And that's a good one. Ba-boom! 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 Yes, Joe Kumar. Come on, man. Spamming. I don't know why. Please quit spamming. Yes, I guess he's going to quit spamming now because he's been deleted. I've been holding 155 AMC shares since June, and it feels like it'll never squeeze, but it has to because I gotta be rich, and Shib going up too. We're going to be millionaires. I have 154 million Shiba and buying. Matthew, very nice. Yeah, look, I know it does feel... And trust me, man, I've been here since, January, man. So, it has been a very long time. Even June is a very long time. So, if you give up, that's exactly what these hedge funds and short sellers want. If we stay here, they have to cover the short shares. I don't know when, but they have to. DR, no! You sold me on the dog, man. Got 22 million today. Will AMC let us watch movies with our dogs? DR, no. I actually do not know if AMC will let you watch movies with your dogs. I highly doubt that AMC would let you watch movies with your dog. That would be pretty annoying if you go to the movie theater and as a dog movie theater, one dog starts barking. Guess what all of the dogs are going to start doing? All of the dogs are going to start barking, and then somebody's going to have to hit pause on the movie and calm all those dogs down. So I highly doubt we see anything like that, but, dude, convinced you on the dog. I like it. Metapets is next, right? Bossman11 becoming a little bro. You guys know what we need to see right now. 162. Welcome, Bossman11s, into the chat. Thank you guys so much for saying the welcome. Bossman, thank you for grabbing that green name. Look at this welcome for you now. That's what I'm talking about, boss man. Yes. Any thoughts on the speculative super cycle being extended to 2023? I don't know, man. I hope that we continue to see money being poured into crypto, not purely on speculation, but just because people believe in the future of cryptocurrency. Hit pause. Yeah. Boom. Hit pause, not pause. We gotta hit the pause. Welcome, Boss Man Frodo. Thank you. Ascension, what's up? Welcome, Boss Man. Thank you, Kabilo. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Everybody saying welcome. I love it. This is what I like. Everybody welcoming Boss Man right here. $27.95 close. AMC close, $27.95. Yes, I'm showing a $27.92 close. Could have closed at $27.95. We'll see it settle here in a second. Farmy closed at $22.17, down a little bit after hours as well. GameStop, $153.94, down 1%. Wow, GameStop dropping 1.25% after hours right there. That's a little weird. MMAC closed at $247. CEI closed at 89 cents. Fun closed at $268. Tesla closed at $1,086. Dogecoin sitting at $17.28. Prague closing at $1.97. And Shiba sitting at $34.30. Very, very slow day for Shiba today. Giveaways aren't happening, Ascension. Chill! It's alright, Ascension. No need to spam the chat. No need to spam the chat. Clear up! Since my YouTube channel isn't monetized and some people have been asking, I finally got Cashapp and set up tipping on the Twitter. Very nice, Frank. Very nice. Deliberate Creator, 9 p.m. Eastern. He must have been talking about... Okay, yes. AMA, 9 p.m. Eastern time tonight. Freddie, thank you very much for seeing that. I did not see it. Crypto Racketeers, boom, baby. Dabbing on him like he always does. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. I don't understand. Look, when you look at a graph like this for Shiba, and it's up, down, it looks like there's actually action going on. But in all honesty, the graph should look like this. Very, very flat day today. Very flat day. Is this a real candle on Prague? There's no way that's real candle on Prague. Did it just dip down? $1.82? Dude, if Prague just dipped down to $1.82, it's a little scary there. Why would it do that? Anybody else got this in a different broker? Pretty big dip, man. I think an 8% dip. Shiba Inu to 0.5 cent by the year end, my prediction. Add another 0, and I can get on board with you there. I personally don't think it's going to hit 0.5 cent by the end of the year. I think that's too high by the end of 2022. That's just me. I hope it does. I'm not saying that I don't think like I don't want it to, but I feel like that's too high, man. Stephen Cooper said, "Get me above 100,000 followers. I have a special surprise for the Shiba Army." Zachariah, get me above 100,000 followers, and I have a special surprise for the Shiba Inu Army. Yeah, let's go, man. You guys got until New Year's Eve when the ball drops, and I got a special surprise for the Shiba Inu coin army too. Am cool bacon shots, but I have. Dang, man, what's up with that little dip then, dude? Am cool bacon shots showing that dip right there to $1.83. That is a little bit concerning. Probably showing $1.98 on we. Yeah, showing $1.98 right now. But what about this dip right here? This 1 minute dip, at like 4:01, 4:03 maybe. Might have been the timestamp. Just weird that it dipped down to like $1.83 right here. And that candle still hasn't gone anywhere. Shiba Safe Moon 2.0, sell, buy AMC. You don't like Safe Moon? I have a surprise for Devil's. Ooh. Okay. Get us to 100,000, and Elizabeth has a surprise for Devil's Advocate. Now that sounds like something I'm interested in. I'm back. Was taking a COVID test. Click. I sent you one DM, the main leak stuff. I have PDF that's over 130 pages, so I can't really DM you. And I'm going to be completely honest, Devil's Advocate. I will not read through a 130-page PDF of the leaked information for Prague. I want to be honest, dude. I don't want to be rude about that. I will not. I can't read through 130 pages. I can't read through 130 pages. Not that I just won't read through 130 pages. I literally can't read through 130 pages. And if you want to summarize it for me, I will definitely listen to a summary. But I can't do that. Taking a COVID test. Was it like a 15-minute COVID test? Are we going to know soon, Devil's Advocate? Or we have to wait like 5 days? We have to wait 5 days before you know that your quarantine is up. Because you tested positive 5 days ago. And now you no longer have to quarantine because your 5 days are up. What's the timeline we're looking at here, Devil's Advocate? We need to know. Oh my goodness, Elizabeth, what is it? You gotta get it. You gotta get the channel to 100,000 subs first, Devil's Advocate. The surprise. This is a surprise, man. It's a surprise. Exactly, Elizabeth. Luckily, you got me to read it. What I sent you is a picture diagram. Perfect. I can read picture diagrams. I like picture diagrams much better. Should I look at it now or should I look at it then? Prog 198. Yeah, but what did you have on the minute there? What's the low after hours? This is gonna be a good one. DR no. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the super chat, DR no. Thank you for the super chat, DR no. We got another rocket ride on here, DR no. Thank you for the super sticker, DR no, man. I don't think I've ever seen that super sticker before. Thank you very much for that super sticker. That is a good one, dude. That is a good one. I really like that super sticker. Let's go on the rocket. DR no. Thank you very much, man. That's a fun one. That's a fun one right there. I gotta get so many props, man. We need to make 2022 the best year ever. I need to get like a giant rocket that I can actually ride. Okay? I do. I need to get a giant rocket. My gosh, DR no, thank you very much. Oh my gosh. I gotta get, or like at least a rocket on wheels or something, man, that I could just, turn the camera a little bit and roll around the living room on a rocket on wheels or something. That was a good one. That was a fun one. I like when you guys get my blood pumping a little bit in these super stickers, and I gotta do something, and I gotta think of it on the fly, too, and then I gotta do something ridiculous. Cool Bacon-tron, thank you for the super chat. And thank you for your advice. When I was about to buy a prog, when it was at $4, and you suggested wait until Powell's speech, I'll probably get in at $1. Cool Bacon-tron, I do not know if it's going to continue falling or not. The $2 level is a level of support, okay? And we are right around there. I know it dipped a little bit to about $1.85 or so today, and it's testing the waters around this level. $1.50 is the next major level of support that we have if $2 does not hold up. So you can look at that. Below that, yes, if you do want to be that conservative and wait for it, $1 is possible, but I'm going to say it's going to look very cheap to a lot of people before it reaches $1. So you got to keep that in mind too. It is a level of support if we break the 150, but it's also very, very cheap looking to a lot of people right now. So it may be harder to continue going down. I think they sell them in adult bookstores. Rockets that I could ride, Mr. Anything Tech. If they do, I'm going to have to... I can't go into bookstores, though, man. I've never been to a bookstore before. What am I going to do there? Hedge fund say what? What? I just said what? I'm not a hedge fund, I promise. So it's a genuine rocket, but still hasn't downloaded Streamlabs. Diffy dog, I promise I have downloaded Streamlabs, man. I downloaded Chrome, I downloaded Streamlabs. It is ready to go. I told you we are waiting until 2022. We got to finish the year strong, where we started the year, man. 2023, Clay is still setting up a rocket he purchased. Yeah, JB, facts, man. If I purchased a real rocket that I could ride around the living room, I promise I would still be setting that thing up in 2023. In my opinion, OBS is better than Streamlabs. Spectronimo, it might be, man. It might be, but I am using Streamlabs. I'm used to using Streamlabs at this point, so I don't know if I should go in and, change something that I'm used to using. Hey, what's up, Clay? What's going on, Danny Dang? How you doing, Clay? To the moon. YMB fight. I will ride that rocket all the way to the moon, man. A good point. Thank you. Cool Bacon-tron. Absolutely. But that's not to say that, you shouldn't wait, though. Like, if you do want to play it very conservatively, you can. It's just, it does look very cheap to a lot of people right now. Especially having been at $6 recently. $2 looks very cheap when it was just at $6. If you're really a fan of Clay, you would know I have been here for many months. DR no. Yes, absolutely. They're saying that, no. DR no is not a hedge fund. I don't think so. Many thanks, many worlds. Many thanks and many worlds. If Clay was building a rocket, he would call the project Renovations. Yes. Yes, and we got to do a few renovations in the bedroom to get the wall up there. So yeah, I don't know what we would do about that. Have I missed the Shiba buy? No, no, no. I don't think you missed the Shiba buy at this point. Many opportunities. Chris, we get to many worlds in here. Many thanks, many worlds, many opportunities. Clyde, account 1 minute. Yeah, you gotta wait for the air to clear a little bit, big dog. It's all right. Where is Abracadabra? Where did she go? Sam Abracadabra, are you in here? There's a Shiba AMA tonight. They're gonna talk about the Shiba Inu network. Yeah, Eugene, they're gonna talk about a lot tonight. We are actually, listen, I plan on live streaming it, okay? And I hope that I'm allowed. I hope they don't have any issues with that. So if you guys do not have Twitter and you can't find it on Twitter, or you don't want to make a Twitter to listen to it, you should be able to listen to it. So keep that in mind. I'm about 95% sure that I'll be live streaming it. I don't know if I'm gonna be here commentating during it because I'm sure I don't want to talk over those people or whatever, but you should be able to find it here as well. Isawu, nice! I've got 2,500 in Shiba Inu. Very nice, Alaska. Hopefully your 2,500 turns into 25,000, and then your 25,000 turns into 250,000. That's what I want to see. Devil's Advocate, you're not getting surprise early. Nope. Nope, surprise, Devil's Advocate. You can't get it early, man. 100,000. We got to get to 100,000. Then Devil's Advocate gets a surprise. Let's see. Streamlabs OBS is a fork of OBS. User interface is all they changed, really. But used to is a fair argument. I don't like Apple much, but I'm super used to their phones. I don't think I'll change. Yeah, dude. There's no way that I could actually change from Samsung to Apple. There's no way. There's no way. I don't want to, but I've had a Samsung phone since the very first Galaxy. The Galaxy S. Then I had the Galaxy S 4G. And then I had the Galaxy, I think, S2. And then I'm pretty sure I skipped to the S5. And then I had the Galaxy S7. And then from the 7, I got the 20. And that's what I'm using right now, is the S20. So I've been, dude, oh my gosh, it's probably been since 2010 or 11 that I've been using the Samsung Galaxies. So there's no way I could change to really anything else on that. Jordan, an NFT at that British broadcasting station or whatever. Is that what you got going on? I've been with Apple since I got my HTC stolen. Yeah, discounts. Actually, the very first Android phone I had was an HTC Aria. That real tiny one, dude, that was like this big. So I had that for a minute. So I had BlackBerry. Okay, so I had, let's just go all the way back. I had one of those Nokia grenade-looking phones that you could literally run over with a car and nothing would happen to it. I had one of those when I was in school, and then I got a Motorola flip phone. And then after that, I used that all through high school. Never even texted in high school, okay? Didn't even have texting. And then graduated high school, got a Motorola Razr. And then shortly after that, I got a BlackBerry Pearl. And I had that BlackBerry Pearl, dude, I had the BlackBerry Pearl a couple years in college. Then I got the BlackBerry Curve. And then after the BlackBerry Curve I started to buy and sell a lot of phones on Craigslist at that time. So I got an HTC Aria that I had used very briefly. And from there, I went to the Samsung Galaxy S. And from the Galaxy S to the Galaxy S 4G, and then what I just told you guys. I started out with a bag phone. Mr. Anything Tech. I did not start out with a bag phone. I did not have one of those. But that Nokia, dude, that Nokia, I mean, reliable phone, man. You could literally like go scuba diving in that thing and still be fine. Only Samsung phone I had was an HTC Evo hand-me-down. Well, I don't know if that's Samsung, but you might be saying Android. I don't know. I did know. I had some of those Evos that I sold on eBay before. Those were decent phones, man. Those are decent phones. Who watched Don't Look Up? It was good. Elizabeth, I did not watch that yet, but the trailer does look good for that. Sent you a message on Instagram. DR, no. Very nice. I'm going to have to check it out. Look, if you can send me a message on Twitter, I would prefer that than a message on Instagram. I don't look at Instagram that often. My lover and bestie tear me up for a surprise. I love and hate this. Me too, man. You ain't got to like Clay. You ain't got to like. Everybody knows you still have a paper clipped. You still have a pager clipped to your pants. I never once had a pager, okay? Never had a pager. Maybe Android was. Yeah. So it was the HTC was the brand, but it was an Android phone. The HTC Evo was an Android phone, but the maker was HTC, not Samsung. Wait for the new S22 Ultra, the Note with a it's a Note with a built-in pen. Mitch, are they releasing the S22 soon? I heard rumor Shibonk is joining Shibarium. Pepe, man, I have no idea. I have not heard that. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. C without reading any of the names. C. We've got Fragments of Archer, Hadouken. Well, it's like the guy's special move on Street Fighter. Capybara, Fisher vs. Pirate. I would go with D if I had to choose, but I chose C. Randomly. I had 60,000 Twitter followers when I was banned by Twitter last year. DR, no, that is terrible, man. Why would they do that to you? Shibarium Network, check out the rumored project. Okay. Oh, man, that's on Reddit. Eugene, we just talked about Reddit. They don't let me do anything on Reddit. They don't like me there. What's your actual price prediction for Shiba in 2022, quarter 1 and quarter 4? I don't really do too many predictions, man. Quarter 1, I don't know what all we're gonna have coming out in quarter 1. Quarter 4, I would just love to be back well, not back, but I would love to be up in 3 zeros. Nearly anywhere in 3 zeros, but I would love to be solidly in the 3-0 area. A 10x to me would be incredible by the end of 2022. Dang, I had to rewind to see the rocket, and yes, you must get all props. Outdoor Smile. Why does YouTube let you guys rewind these things? Oh my gosh. I don't know why YouTube lets you rewind these things, man. Oh no. Hadouken was the fake one, but I think we should make that one. I am holding 1.2 million Hadoukens. Dude, I'd hold 1.2 million Hadoukens. I don't even know what that is. Am I saying something bad? I don't know what you guys got me saying. Retiring in 2025 from the army, hoping she will be praised right at that time. Hold Nick. It very well could be, man. You're giving yourself a very good time frame. For 2025, you're giving yourself a very good time frame on that. And not just Shiba, man. If you want to diversify a little bit, I think you're going to be doing okay. But at least you're giving yourself the time. When will AMC squeeze? I know this is a dumb answer, man, but when the hedge funds cover their shares. I don't know when they're going to do that. Whether it's through a margin call or they finally give up. That's the only like actual answer. I know you want to know when that is, but I do not know. Jimmy, sell me some Hadoukens on the DL. I don't even know what that is. It's a special move from the dude on Street Fighter. You had it right. Are you just messing with me? Did I really get that right? Have a new year, Clay. I'm holding 225 million Shiba, and 2022 is going to be a great year. Sean! Hold on. Guys, fix Sean's statement down there, okay? Who in here can fix Sean's statement? Nothing against you, Sean, but you missed a couple words in there. Who can fix Sean's statement? Happy New Year, Clay. Okay, good with that one. I'm holding 225 million Shiba. Yeah. In 2022, what? Anybody helping Sean on this one? Because he just got it a little bit wrong. A little wrong. AMC will squeeze when you fix this darn door. But some Yoga Flame coins, Clay. Or buy some Yoga Flame. I don't even know what Yoga Flames are. best year ever. Yeah, Sean, man. Holding 225 million Shiba Inu, and that's perfect. And 2022 is going to be the best year ever. Not a great year, man. It's going to be the best year ever. JB, thank you very much. Legendary year. Lord Links, yes, it's going to be a legendary year, like Chris was saying the other day. Do you day trade? Nah, Sam. So I don't day trade. No. A lot of people, you can make a lot of money day trading, but you can lose a lot of money day trading as well. So I'm not out there buying and selling stocks on a short-term basis. Yoga pants? Yoga flame pants, man. Yeah, I'm not wearing yoga pants right now, but shoot. I have not seen Spider-Man yet, Nick. No, 2022 is going to be the best year ever. AMC Trapper already knows. PTN, AMC, Shib, Triple Play, Gang Gang. Let's go, Ashley. Hey, Clay, how are you, buddy? Antonio, Carlos, Andrade. Doing good, buddy. How are you? Hopefully very well. Isa Woo. Hey there, bros. I'm Clay, and I think you should load up on many worlds. Isa Woo, thank you. Yeah, listen, if you guys do, look, I'm completely cool. Isa Woo, man, you can send super chats all day long, pumping any coin you guys want. 100% cool with that. I have no problem with that at all. Actually, I think that's one of the best ways to do so, right? Because a lot of people, they come in here, they just spam stuff, and people do get a little, I don't know, annoyed when people spam things, but I mean, I don't mind too much if you're just having some fun and spamming or whatever. But yeah, guys, if you do want to load up on many worlds, I don't know a ton about the project, okay? I do know it sounds pretty cool by leveling up your tokens to encourage holding as opposed to using an entire, like a huge tax on your coins out there to buy these coins or buy these tokens. So it does have some good ideas. And because of Isa Woo, I probably will be adding a decent amount to a 2022 portfolio, or at least, you know, the amount of super chats and stuff to the 2022 portfolio. So this is, I don't know. I think it's cool that if you guys are passionate about one of these projects, that you get the word out there. And if somebody makes the decision to go out and buy it, go out and buy it, man. I like fried spam sandwiches. No, Mr. Anything Tech, that's better than regular spam. Isa Woo, it's 2 plus 2. Isa Woo ain't no bot. He ain't no robot. Clay, since you asked, Gala, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba, Metapets, Landbox, YFI, ooh, you're in finance, that's a good one. I did pretty well recently. Bone, Link, Matic, Isle, Sand, Amp, Veracity, and today I'm going to grab many. Very nice. I like it. I like it. That's a good list, Freddie. That's a good list, actually. I don't know what Isle is. I don't know what Landbox is. Could be similar to Sandbox. I think that's the only two. Landbox and Isle. I don't think I know what those two are. So, okay, Elizabeth, we can bring in a substitute if you can't make it. I don't know what's happening in here. Elizabeth has final say on all things regarding not only herself, but our marriage, but also me. I get to say what I get no say. What she wants goes. No hat. Elizabeth is just like, I don't know what's going on. That's my face too, Elizabeth. I don't know what's going on either. Hey, bro! What's up? I was watching Trey earlier. Very nice. As a idiot, I said, sup, Clay, bro? Always on my mind, I guess. Left the chat straight away. You the man. Sid who? Dude, Sid, you shouldn't have left, man. You should have at least stayed to see if anybody knew who Claybro was. Then, if they said, who's Claybro? Then you could have left. That's fine. You could have tucked your tail and left, like I would have done. But, you should have at least stayed to see if they knew who Claybro was. No substitute. Her or nothing. All in. Figure 2790 will turn into 1,000. Them good odds, AMC, and then MMAP, and then buy dividend stocks to gain 20,000 a month. Spider Claude. Yeah, dude, nothing wrong with that strategy at all. $20,000 a month generated by some solid paying dividend stocks is incredible, man. Yes, Outdoor, you see how she ignored my complex mathematical equation. No, Isa Woo did not ignore a complex mathematical equation like 2 plus 2. Isa Woo. It's 2 plus 2, man. Send pics of the bridesmaids, please, Elizabeth. Dippy Dog wants an invite to this wedding if he's not going to be in the wedding. Good angle, man. My bad. Next time, I'll spread the word. Sid, thank you. But, yeah, let me know. Let me know anyway. Even if they say, who's Clay, bro? You still gotta let me know. Oh, know who that guy is? Alaska. Trey or Clay? Trey or Clay? I know he's gonna say Clay. Cool, thanks, Eugene. Did not see what Eugene said. Sean, on that subreddit, it's one of the tokens being built on the Shiba Inu network. Very nice. Let's see. Did you leave a rating on my bathroom? No? Was I supposed to leave a rating on your bathroom? Hungry Cherry gave it a 5-star. But I don't know. Did I see your bathroom? Hey, Clebro, have you seen the crazy short interest percentage of TV Ameritrade? So I haven't seen it, but I have heard that they're showing 40%. They look ridiculous. I hope it's real, though. Danny Dang, I'm taking the exact same approach as you. I also hope that short interest is real. But it does seem crazy that they're telling you it's twice as much as Ortex is reporting. Our next chess move, refer to every other streamer as Claybro at all times. Oh, sorry. Just so used to talking to that awesome dude. I should reward you guys all with NFTs for doing that. We should have some marketing campaign like that where we don't be disrespectful, but we do go in there and say, oh, what's up, Claybro? And Matt Kors is like, I'm not Claybro. I'm Matt Kors. And like, what's up, Claybro? And Trey's like, I'm not Claybro. Andrew Mo Money. Is that guy still stream? Does Andrew Mo Money still stream? I haven't seen him in a long time. Does he? I'm legitimately asking. Is he still on? I haven't seen him. AKA brokers apparently couldn't do math. Nice. Now I understand. JB. Now I get it. TD said it was an error. Okay. The thing is, though, those numbers, I guess they can be manually overwritten, but those numbers are going to be coming from the data source and then just displayed. So I wonder what number was causing that error. I wonder what data source was causing that error. Interesting. Okay. I don't know. I think Meatball took over. So he's still on? He still does stream, though? You and Bulldog Trading, the only YouTubers I watch about AMC, Mr. Editing Tech. Very nice. The computers are tired of the manipulation. AI is taking over, and they're going to tell the truth on AMC, 13,000 a share. Spider Claude. I know for a fact you probably hang out with Lou, don't you? A data scientist everywhere. I mean, is he not a data? I think he's probably a data scientist, though, right? Is Mombro still waiting for chicken soup? No, Mombro is actually feeling a lot better. Mombro is feeling a lot better. Mombro, Pat Bro, Stepdad Bro, they all feel a lot better. So I'm very grateful for that. Any UK firms to trade in? Bossman 11. I actually don't know the platforms that you can use in the UK, but we do have a lot of UK viewers in here. So if anybody in the UK wants to give Bossman a recommendation on what broker that you can trade with, you know, absolutely. Whatever you guys like, throw that out there. He can research them and see if he likes them. But I do not know the brokers that you can use in the UK. That was a joke. Meatball is his dog. How would a dog take over a YouTube channel? The exact same way that Chipbro takes over my YouTube channel when Chipbro decides to come in. Nobody's like, oh, what do you have to say, Clay bro? They're all like, oh my gosh, Chipbro's so cute. Look at him eating those sunflower seeds. Oh, look at his little cheeks. Oh, his little paw. It's so cute. Yeah, dude. So I can easily see Meatball taking over at that point. Shibonk welcomes you with open arms. Explain. I do not own any Shibonk. Shibro rocks. Shibro does rock though. I'm very upset that it's so cold out and Shibro. He does come out in the morning, and if it's not him coming out in the morning, something is eating the seeds that I'm leaving on the stairs, and I think it's him. But I think he comes out, grabs a couple seeds, and then just goes back in. It's your New Year's. I was actually thinking about that today, Diffy Dog. More investment in crypto, new router, more intimate relations with Lauren. All of those sound like really good resolutions to me. Diffy Dog. It all sound like something I'm interested in. So I say we get started. I'm just gonna go with. Can I go with all of the above? Can I go with all of the above, or is that like I have to pick one of those? Because I was actually thinking about that earlier today, and I don't know. Jimmy, let's watch it. What, GameStop? You want to watch GameStop? GameStop's in the bottom right. I'm not doing anything right now. It's just trading sideways. Like everything is trading right now. Boring day across the board. 33.98 for Shiba. AMC sitting down a percent after hours. 27.69. Prog sitting at $1.95. GameStop sitting at $153. And very, very little going on after hours right now. I need more snow. And what antics? What do you need? What do you need snow for? Things you can say about Chipbro that you can also comment on Pub Go. That's a cute little tail. I think that's pretty good. That's a cute little tail. That's gonna be mine right there. Hey, Clibro, what's up, Danny? You might want to see how many shares of AMC have been traded over the last year and compare that to other well-known stocks. Might be interesting to look at. Yeah, Danny Dank. So I did see a number the other day. I know it was, how much was it, man? It was tens of billions of shares of AMC traded over the last year. Now, it's not necessarily fair to compare it to other well-known stocks, even in the same price range, because AMC basically topped the list of Google searches, not just Google stock searches, but Google searches. So you should expect extremely high volume on AMC over the last year. Now, if you compare it to GameStop, clearly it's going to have a higher volume because there's 500 million shares of AMC out there and much less GameStop. And the price is, like a seventh. So there's a big difference in comparing stocks like that based on the shares outstanding and the price. And the fact that it far surpassed every other stock in terms of, I guess, popularity. That's what I'm looking for. If Lauren tells you, oh, it's such a cute little tail, bro, my condolences. Oh, so it's a bad thing? Devil's advocate. I thought that was always a good thing to hear. It's a bad thing? Oh, that's why. Thank you, Elizabeth. I don't even know what Elizabeth said. Bye, JB! Gotta run, have a great night. Margin calls tomorrow. JB, man, enjoy your night. Thanks for hanging out with us. Yes, margin calls definitely coming in tomorrow. Last trading day of the year. Can you guys believe that tomorrow is the last trading day of the year? Oh my gosh. Wow. Saitama, Shibonk, or Shibnobi. Pick one only. Oh gosh. Dude, I feel like you're a Shibonker. So, is Shibonk the correct answer in this one? Because I feel like there's a lot of people in here who like Shibnobi and Saitama as well, but I feel like you might be a Shibonker. As a human, I can't think of a single situation where that's a compliment. Dude, you got a cute little tail, man. You got a cute little tail. I can think of a lot of compliments. I think in a lot of situations where that would be a compliment. Friday is Spider Clawed. Okay. Spider, trading on Friday. Well, Isn't the market closed? Isn't the U.S. market closed on Friday? I'm pretty sure the U.S. market's got to be closed on Friday, no? All right, holidays. Let's see what we've got. Is it really open? Dude, we got to be closed for New Year's, though. Is it closed on Monday? All right, well, we'll see when it's closed. It's got to be closed for New Year's. Why are you not showing me 2021 holidays? What is this? Asterisk. Wow, so there is no closure for New Year's this year. Is that what I'm seeing? One asterisk. No holiday observed pursuant to NYSE Rule 7.2, NYSE American Rule 7.2, NYSE American Rule, or ARCA Rule 7.20. No holiday observed. Is that because New Year's falls on Saturday? Gotta be, right? No, it's gotta be because it falls on Saturday. I don't know if you guys can read that or not. It's really small on my screen. But yeah, New Year's 2022 not being observed at all. You got this little asterisk come down here, no holiday observed pursuant to NYSE Rule 7.2, whatever. But then it's being observed on 2023 and 2024. It's got to be because it falls on a Saturday. Very interesting. Clay, you remind me of Stone Mountain. I don't even know what Stone Mountain is, dude. All right. Well, I thought the markets would be observing New Year's Day, but that is apparently not true. It got to be because it's closed on Saturday. It got to be because New Year's Day happens on Saturday instead of Sunday or Friday. I'll brew some coffee for you. Thank you very much, Spider Claude. That page took about 18 minutes to appear on Clay's crap top. No, it did not, Diffy Dog. It was here the whole time. I just didn't have it up. Supermarket is open on New Year's. Not the stock market. That's what I was saying, Clay, bro. Frank, you told me that it was open? You told me that it was open because of Saturday? If you did, man, I don't know if I saw it. Dang, that's weird. Christmas and New Year's will fall on Sunday into 2022. Yeah, so we'll celebrate on Monday then. I'm doing some coffee when Shiba coin is 1.5 cents. When is Shiba coin 1.5 cents? ALW Animals. It's not going to reach that price for a very long time. You gotta cancel a date with Lauren Friday and streamless. Yeah, Spider Claude, it's gonna have to happen, man. It'll be okay though. Stone Mountain, Georgia. I remind you guys of a location. When do we get a tour of the upstairs desk? Well, apparently on Monday, because there's no holiday for New Year's Day. and we're streaming through 2021 down here. So I guess upstairs will commence on Monday. Bro, you don't know who Stone is? You're not a gamer? No. Look, I can show you that I'm a gamer. Ooh. You see that right there? There's an actual PS3 in there. Dude, I should turn my PS3 into an epoxy desk, like Logan Paul did, and make that my desk upstairs. Hit that like button, Wall Street. It's the block. Thank you very much. Kalani in the house. Trapper. Boom. What's up with that fist bump? Yes. Stone Mountain has the best 4th of July fireworks. Shabonk. I can't believe you guys are comparing me to a place. Gotta head out. Leaves aren't going to remove themselves. Hopefully, squeeze soon. See apes. Chris, enjoy your day, man. And yes, hopefully the squeeze is soon. Rather than later, please. PS3. Yes, AMC Trapper is correct. That is a PS3, guys. I should turn that into an epoxy tabletop, just like Logan Paul did. He really hit him with a PS3 box. Oh, Spectronimo. It's not just a box, dude. There's a PS3 in that box as well. I guess packed there. I don't know what I'm talking about. Dude, you can play the Shiba Burn playlist on PS3. I think it supports Spotify. This PS3, I'm going to be completely honest with you. This PS3 would probably need to go through like 30 days worth of updates if I were going to connect it to the internet. It's probably got so many, like if you haven't played PS3, if you haven't plugged it in 7 years, I imagine there's a lot of updates. Stoney's Facebook gaming stream, bro. Gotcha, boss man. See, I had no idea. Like the fireworks on the Vegas Strip. Steve Kalani, never seen the fireworks from the Vegas Strip either. Never been to Vegas. Clear, bro. Or click, keep safe, bro. Thanks for the love. Boss man, absolutely. Are you leaving? Are you leaving? Hey, I forgot, but how does forced margin calls happen? Warren Buffett. So, it's all about risk. If there's too much risk for the lenders will say, no, we need our money back. So they will force the hedge funds to liquidate their positions in order to keep enough capital that the lenders can be paid. So right now, let's use Citadel, because everybody hates Citadel, as an example. And let's say Citadel has $4 billion of, I guess, clients' money. And they're investing $40 billion in the market. They've got banks out there lending them that additional $36 billion. They're essentially investing a 10x leverage on their positions because they've got $4 billion in, I guess, their own assets, and they're using $36 billion worth of the bank's assets. So if they were to go out there and lose any more than $4 billion in the market, the banks would say, you know what? You lost all of your clients' money. You are not losing our money now. You're going to be forced to liquidate your positions and, yes, lose all of your clients' money. We don't care about their money, and we care about our money, but you cannot lose our $36 billion that we lent you. So if they started to lose money like that, then they would be forced to liquidate some of their positions to generate some, I guess, capital to satisfy the lender's needs. So that's essentially how it happens, is the lender doesn't want their money to be lost, so they force a liquidation to preserve their capital. No leaving. I thought you were ending. Almost 10 p.m. here in Manchester, England. Oh, yeah, we'll be leaving in 15 minutes. Boss man, 5 o'clock we'll be leaving here. I think there's a scam going on right now. There is a YouTube live, Shiba Inu with Elon. They're asking people to send crypto. Can you take a look? Yeah, Armando. So that's definitely a scam, man. They took that down for a while, especially after the interest in Shiba Inu coin kind of slowed. But it is not Elon Musk. I mean, it's just a recording of Elon Musk. And it's not... I don't even think you can leave comments on that channel to let people know that it's a scam. So they've disabled the live chat. You can't leave comments anywhere, and they want you to send them your Shiba Inu coin, and then they send you twice your Shiba Inu coin back. That will not happen, man. That will not happen. They're not going to send you twice the Shiba Inu coin back. So just know that yes, you are correct. That is a scam. Anyway, see, Galaxy is a rug sweep. Did he? No, I've not seen Galaxy. What's Galaxy? I can't believe they don't let us celebrate New Year's Day. Is it Crypto Galaxy? X Galaxy? Bitcoin Galaxy? Coin Galaxy? Krypton Galaxy? Which one is it, man? I'm trying to look it up. It is a scam. Mr. Anything Tech, yes, that is a scam, guys. Please do not send anybody your Shiba Inu coin unless you just want to give them Shiba Inu coin. Do not expect to double your Shiba Inu coin by sending it to some YouTube channel that doesn't even allow you to contact them. For a hamburger today, I will gladly pay you Tuesday. Isa Wu. Yes. For a many worlds today, I will gladly give you too many worlds on Tuesday. Hey, Clay, do you have to tell us exactly how much you... What? Hey, Clay, you don't have to tell us exactly how much you got, but can you confirm to us that you are buying AMC on a regular... Yeah, Danny Dank. So no, I'm not buying. I'm not buying. I don't have any GameStop, but I'm not buying AMC on a regular basis. So I'm not like dollar cost averaging in on a weekly basis or anything like that. My cost basis in AMC still remains at $13 and some change. So I'm not continually buying on any sort of a regular interval or anything like that. Isa, send a burger sticker. Isa Wu. Love those burger stickers too. I am getting hungry. Clint, before you go, can you check out that photo I sent you about the pill? And also, I tweeted your new biggest fan, who's with me right now, watching. So check that out. Yeah, I can look at that really quick. I think. This is not... Yeah, okay, we got it. Nice. Guys, this is the real MVP. Right here. Oh, you guys, hold on. Let's go big. That's the real... Let me clean this screen up a little bit. You guys can see way too many fingerprints. I know you guys are going to fingerprint me. Yes, that's the real MVP right there. Oh, there it is. Look at that little dog. Yes. What's that dog's name, Sam? What's that dog's name? I mean, Devil's Advocate. What's that dog's name? See how that dog's looking away, though? AMC Trapper! Thank you for the super stick. Guys, this... I am... you have no idea. I am hungry. Mm. Oh, Isa Wu with a burger, too! Oh, AMC Trapper. That was a good one. I gotta eat, too. I'm so full already. Mm. Oh my gosh, that's a big burger. Thank you very much, Isa Wu. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper. Absolutely appreciate the super stickers, guys. And, it hit the spot, dude. It hit the spot. Okay, I'm going to tell you this. I'm not going to tell you where I went, because I don't know how many of these restaurants are out there, and you guys will probably find, like, where I live. But I went to a restaurant, ordered a burger. And the waitress is like, you want the big one, or do you want the small one? I was like, I want the big one. I was hungry. Dude, I ate the big burger, and I'm talking, it's 4 patties. Okay? 4 patties on this burger. It's a big one. She comes back to the table, and she's like, did you eat that? I was like, I didn't hide it. So, yeah. I ate it. Mr. Simon, thank you very much for the salt shaker. You take the salt shaker, boom, you pour it out on the table. You pour it out on the table, and for good luck, you throw it over your shoulder. And you know what to do next. It gets in your eye every single time. Simon, thank you very much for the salt, but it stings, dude. When it gets in your eye, it stings. Nobody likes that. Oh my gosh. Holy cow burger. Yeah, and I ate the whole thing, too. I was very hungry. And then I ate the fries on top of that. Out of here. Eunice. Enjoy your evening. Her name is Dottie, and she's 10 weeks old. That is a beautiful dog. Yeah, okay, so that's... And then this one... Digital health monitoring, drive therapeutic use. Capsule, patient, ingested capsule. So, subject data, vitals, activities, symptomology, diet, medications, mobile device, internet, doctor's office, analytics, receiver. Dude, I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? Sam. Here's my problem. This, to me, so, for what you guys told me, or for what I told you, for what he just sent me, I'll tell you what I got here. Because this is a little scary to me, okay? So, digital health monitoring to drive therapeutic use. And I don't know if this is proc or what, but you get your patient, and you ingest the pill with a capsule. And then the subject data, it shows you your vitals, activities, symptomology, diet, medications, and then all of us, that goes to a mobile device, goes to the internet, goes to the doctor's office, goes to your physician, goes to a receiver, and you can see all things like the device's location, transit time, breath rate, macronutrient levels, and drug levels. The devil's advocate. I was messing around, and look, this is not going to turn into, some like vaccine conspiracy theory or anything like that, but it does concern me a little bit. And I was actually talking something different. I was talking more or less, those patches that you can wear if you've got diabetes, and it monitors your insulin levels, and then gives you an injection of insulin if your levels get out of whack or whatever. The continual blood glucose monitors or whatever they're called. No, dude. What if, that's the case, though, but they do this stuff, and it could be a good thing. Like, if you start to have symptoms of a certain disease, but then it alerts the local authorities that you have that disease, and then, it does go down a path that I'd be afraid to go down. That would be a path that I'd be afraid to go down on that one. Because this, I was talking to my brother about this kind of stuff, I would say, just last week, man, maybe 2 weeks ago. Tesla was on sale before Christmas, and I am really sad that I didn't buy at least one share. Yeah, it was down to what, like $900? Yeah, down to about $900. I wonder if Tesla will go back down to that. So, Pet Care Services by Mariana Roberts. I do want to tell you right now that yes, I will be your friend. And also, I do want to say, I believe that Tesla will come back down to 900 or below 900 at some point. So, I do think that it will. I don't think that Tesla is going to, never see a pullback. And I do think it could pull back below $900 per share as well. Reddit is bull now. It's not the old Reddit. Yeah, Reddit is a little weird. AMC Trapper. Doctor-patient confidentiality is still law, though. So if it goes to your doctor, it would have the same legality and privacy as conversation. The part there is I would assume, right? That's the part that makes me nervous, man. That's the part that makes me nervous because it does get a little weird on who it's going to monitor, right? And I agree with you. If it is strictly, for health reasons, because guys, I don't suffer from any health issues or anything like that. But I watched my grandma. She had diabetes. She had to give herself insulin injections, like maybe twice a day, and prick her finger and check her sugar multiple times a day. So to have something like one of those monitors where it does help you, keep track of it and inject you with insulin if you're feeling a little weird before you even start to feel weird. I think that stuff is great, but some of this stuff starts to scare me when you get a little in the medical world and things like that. So if you are correct, man, and it's strictly doctor-patient confidentiality, like I'm cool with that, but I get a little nervous about what's going on in the world these days. Clayton Shinja, I do not know, and no, I do not own either of those three. Spam, meaning to spam. I just want your opinion. Which of the three is better? No, Jay Johnson, I actually don't own any of those. But if I had to tell you, I think that Shinja might have the most potential out of those, but Dogelon Mars is probably proving itself to be the bigger coin and the more followed coin at this point. Just my opinion, but I do not own any of those. Shibonk. I do not own any Shibonk. Chill tunes. Nope. None of that. You get a bonk on the head. That's what I'm saying. Like I don't even know where to get Shibonk, man. Well, it's hard to say with something that's new. People had issue with the Bitcoin out of the gate too, but they're the same revolution. 100%, man. 100%. Because I think that the continuous blood monitoring or glucose, whatever those, there's an acronym for it, and I don't know what it is right now. Like, I think that's a good idea. I just, with all of the nonsense, man, and all of the dispute that is surrounding what I would, and I don't know, is this just a for anything, or is this strictly for COVID? I guess would be my first concern. Because with the amount of, I guess, it's not even argument at this point, dude. It's just straight up feuding. And that's what makes me hesitant, I should say. It should be able to detect cancer faster than ever before. So yeah, dude, if that's the case, like if it's for anything, I'm cool with that. I mean, dude, they have not injectable or whatever, but I guess insertable birth control type things too. Like, we are moving in that direction where you're going to have stuff like that. I just don't want it to be strictly for COVID, and then people will be like, well, ring, 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 a doctor's calling you, you've got COVID, you're going to be taken away. We have AMC haters here. I hope not, dude. I don't think anybody hates AMC in here. Everybody loves AMC. I have to give insulin injections to diabetic dogs. I'm afraid COVID-19 vaccines, especially after looking at the medical studies on the... Yeah, Peck here. And, I know there's people out there that are skeptical on stuff like that, too. I think everything's going to be okay, but I don't know. We're not going to get into the discussion on everything. I got opinions, and I know everybody else has opinions, too. Probably devil's advocate. It has nothing to do with COVID as far as mostly about being in Humira and testing, which is for Crohn's. I have zero legit facts about it. Yeah, dude, if that's the case, I'm completely cool with it, man. Completely cool with it. And yes, I'm always skeptical of authority, I guess I should say. But, no, dude, like, nobody ever says, well, you gotta worry about those continuous blood monitor, continuous blood glucose level monitors. You should really worry about those. So if it's about something else, man, I think that could be huge. We knew about shares being sold for 6 months before he did. He's 67. He needs to work on his retirement. And his retirement has definitely been worked on. Claytinho! Read my older messaging, Clay! Look at the HR lady at the company. My company was pushing everyone for the vax. She got vaxxed a few months ago, and now she is off because of the virus. Everyone that gets vaxxed in my company is sick now. Oh, Simon, it just means that the semiconductor industry is going to continue going up in 2022 because we're going to have a shortage of not only chip suppliers, but chip makers as well. So it's crazy, dude. It's crazy. I mean, it is crazy what's going on out there right now, man. Fact, I've heard zero intel about martial law being implemented and these pills being forced down your throat. So don't stress. Your phone is your own. That is true. But... Dude, I stress about so little, man. I'm not stressed about that. I really am not stressed about that. I actually don't know if anything really stresses me out other than the thought of time travel. If I am ever faced with the decision to time travel or not, I'm probably just going to have to say no. It stresses me out way too much, man. If that's the only thing in my life that I got stressing me out and it's not even like a possibility at the moment, I think I'm good. Virus shorting semiconductor manufacturers. It is, Simon. It is. But guys, it is 5 o'clock, man. We're gonna go. Thank you guys so much for having fun with us. I'm going to be checking out many worlds and seeing if I can add to that. On a side note, do you own Ethereum or Solana? I actually do not own any Ethereum or Solana. Can you make a video on your favorite dividend stocks? I might be able to. Pet care services. I might be able to do that on a weekend. But right now, it is time for... So it's time for so long. But we'll sing... No, we're not singing any more songs. Get your name in the chat so we can get a shout out going, guys. Thank you very much for hanging out, having a good time. Videos at 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Make sure to check those out. We will be back tomorrow, and apparently we're going to be back on Friday as well, since we do not get to celebrate New Year's with the stock market closure this year. So, Rumpe, Freddie, Isa Wu, Bobby, Jay Johnson, Yo Ness, Devil's Advocate, yes, Mike Garcia, Mr. Simon, Julie Miller, bye-bye to you, Elizabeth, bye, enjoy your evening, Shib Meme Master, Mr. Anything Tech, Fox Games, Outdoor Smile, AMC Trapper, I don't see where he's at, done, and peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army, Hungry Chair, thanks, Clebro, shout-outs to you as well. Let's see what we got here. Pet Care Services by Mariana Roberts. Enjoy your evening. Thank you very much for hanging out. Shibonk Army, thank you for being here. Enjoy your evening as well. Derek, Mr. Simon, Frank, Rumpe, Jay Johnson, Mr. Anything Tech, Frodo. Bye, everyone. Bye to you as well. And you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.